Assalamu alaikum respected doctors. Welcome to my YouTube channel MBBS and BDS lectures. Today's video number on our YouTube channel is 364. And today our lecture is related to prosthodontics. And today our topic is single complete denture. And today topic of line include number 1 definition of single complete denture, and number 2 indications of single complete denture, number 3 types of single complete denture, and number 4 complications of single complete denture. Now first we start from definition. How we define single complete denture. Now single complete denture is a complete denture which occlude against some or all natural teeth or fixed restoration or previously constructed removable partial denture or previously constructed complete denture is called single complete denture. Look at this diagram. In maxilla there is a single complete denture, but in mandible there is a few natural teeth and with removable partial denture. Look at another diagram. Again in maxilla there is a single complete denture, but in mandible there is a fixed partial denture. Now look at another diagram. In maxilla again there is a single complete denture, but in mandible there is a removable partial denture. Now come to the indications of removable partial of single complete denture. There are 4 indications of single complete denture. Number 1, occlude to natural teeth. When in one arch there is a natural teeth, other is edentulas. In edentulas we give the single complete denture which occlude to natural teeth. Second, occlude to partially edentulous arch replaced by fixed partial denture. In one arch there is a edentulous complete and other arch is a partially edentulous but replaced by removable partial denture. Third, occlude to partially edentulous arch replaced by removable partial denture. Now come to the 4th indication, occlude to an existing complete denture. In one arch there is an existing complete denture, but other is edentulous. In that edentulous arch we give single complete denture. Now after indication, come to the types of single complete denture. There are 5 types. Number 1, first type is mandibular denture to opposing natural maxillary teeth. Mean in maxilla there is a natural teeth, but in mandible edentulous replaced by single complete denture. Look at this diagram. In upper arch maxilla natural teeth, but mandible is edentulous. In mandible we give single complete denture. Now come to this. Again look at this diagram in zoom manner. The first type is the in maxilla there is a natural teeth, but mandible we give single complete denture. Now come to the second type. Second type is opposite of first type. Single complete maxillary denture opposing natural mandibular teeth. Now here the natural teeth are present in mandible, but the single complete denture we give in maxilla. This is a second type. Now after this type, come to the third. In third there is a single complete maxillary denture opposing partially edentulous mandibular arch with fixed prosthesis. Look at this diagram. In maxilla again there is single complete denture, but in mandible there is a partially edentulous mandibular arch with fixed prosthesis. Now come to the 4th type. In fourth type, there is a single complete maxillary denture opposing partially edentulous mandibular arch replace with removable partial denture, not fixed. Look at this diagram. Again in maxilla there is a single complete denture, but mandible there is a partially edentulous mandibular arch with removable partial denture. Look at the cusp and the white teeth in the mandible. Now come to the last type, single complete denture opposing the existing complete denture. Now here for example patient have a complete denture in both mandible and maxilla, but due to fracture of one arch denture, patient come to prosthodontic department, they have one denture in one arch, but in other arch fracture we give single complete denture. Now come to the complications. Last, there are 3 complications of single complete denture. Number 1 is the very important combination syndrome. I will make a complete video after this video on combination syndrome. It is very important. Now come to the second complication, wear up opposing natural teeth. The third is the fracture of the denture. These are the 3 complications. Wear up opposing natural teeth because a single complete denture cause wear of natural teeth, and second fracture of denture is due to the single complete denture artificial teeth oppose the natural teeth. Now today our topic is end. Now we have Telegram channels and WhatsApp groups for you people. If you are MBBS student, we have Telegram channel by name first to final year MBBS lecture, and if you are BDS student, we have channel by first to final year BDS lectures, and also we have WhatsApp group for first year BDS boys separately and for girls separately. There everyone can share books, notes, video, etc. And we have second BDS group for boys only, and also we have third BDS WhatsApp group for boys only. In future we will also create for girls. Now all channel and WhatsApp groups links are present in the description of this video. You can join by clicking the link directly. Now if you like my video, press the like button and share this video with your friends. If you are new to my channel, subscribe my channel by pressing the red subscribe button, and also press the bell icon in order to receive my each new video notification. For watching my videos, I am very thankful to you. Thank you very much.